Hello friends, I am Parth of class 6. Today I am going to making a recycled paper. So let's begin. For doing this we need some water and take 2-3 pages, cuts into the small pieces like this. Put it into the water like this. Now mix it and keep it overnight. After soaking, it look like this. Now make a thick paste of it. After mixing, it look like this. Now we take an old and thin cloth like this. Now put the paste like this. Now drain the excess of water like this. Now take a plastic sheet and put the paste in it. Take a rolling pin and roll it like this. If you want color paper, add some food color. Now gently press it with your hands. Took it into the plate and kept it on sunlight for one day. Now paper is ready, you can use it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.